Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a while, a long while. I can't remember the last time I was even editing a video, let alone making a video for this car. But did a lot of traveling for work. New Year's was 2 weeks ago. My son turned 3. That's cool. Whoop, whoop. New Year's babies. And then I've been fighting off the flu 2 days after his birthday for the last 2 weeks. So definitely been kind of out of it. But some things have happened in that time frame that I'm excited about. So I'm put the rear subframe on the back burner for now, just because I finally found somebody here locally in Colorado that does mobile fabrication. And he'll basically go to your house, he'll do it in your driveway, your garage, and he'll basically weld anything onto your car that's body. You know, I don't think he does roll cages and stuff like that, but I've seen his portfolio. He does great work. Our Colorado Cars and Coffee Facebook group, which has I think 100,000 plus people on it, mentioned this guy as one of their companies that they're promoting, and they don't do that with every company. So I looked into it and I was like, wow, this guy's actually really, really good. I'm gonna give him a call. So he gave me a quote to finally fix all of the rust. And this video is actually gonna be him doing the rockers, because the rocker panels were the absolute worst. And I'll show you the before and after pictures at the end of this video. But for those of you who've been following me for the last couple of years on Instagram, you know how bad this has been. And so the fact that I could finally find somebody to come to my house, basically it's like $250 for the first panel and $200 after that. And so he gave me a quote of $1,250 to knock out both quarter panels, both rockers, the floorboard, which is gonna be 4 pieces, the trunk. There's a decent amount of rust, but the rockers were the worst of it. It was noticeable. It was starting to mess with the integrity of the body. So he went in, he cut out all the bad rust, re-welded everything, painted it so it wouldn't come back. And this is exactly what that video is. It's kind of just a fun little, hey, here's basically what he did. And I'm super excited about it because we have plans for him to come out every month after this. So next month, he's going to take care of the pinch welds in the front and then also finish the rocker panel on the passenger side. And then he's going to come back a month later, finish the floorboard. He's going to come back and finish the trunk. And then we're basically done with the rust. And then the rear subframe can get tackled after that. So to me, the rust on the subframe, it's easy. It's an easy fix. I've just been grinding away at it. It's actually really salvageable. It's in a lot better shape than I thought it was. But the rust on the body just keeps getting worse and worse the longer it sits. It's just like cancer and spreading. So that kind of became priority number 1 over the subframe. So I unfortunately got to knock that out first. It sounds smart in my head to do this first and to get it over with. But that's basically it. That's what this video is going to be. Enjoy. It's kind of a cool little video. Speeding it up real quick just so you can kind of see the progression of where he started and how he did it. Did a really good job. Luckily, a lot of this stuff is going to be covered by the side skirts. So it's not a perfect bend shape like the rockers normally are. He just kind of did a straight cut piece, but everything's going to be covered anyways. You're not even going to be able to see it. It was really just to stop the rust from spreading because it was getting bad, jeopardizing the integrity of the entire car bad. So he knocked it all out, killed it, did an awesome job. Super nice guy. So if you're local in Colorado, you're looking for a guy to come to your house and weld stuff on your car or your truck. His name's Cory Ratcliffe, I believe. If I said that wrong, I'll post his name somewhere around here. But he's a cool dude. You can find him on Facebook. Especially the Colorado Cars and Coffee. He's a good dude. If you want to know more information about him, he said I can pass his information on. He gave me the okay to film him, so had to put that out there as well. But he's a good dude, super nice guy, very good at welding. But yeah, that's it. I'm super excited. Hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be kind of just a random one, and I'll show more videos as the rust progression continues. But yeah, enjoy. hope you enjoyed. Thought it was a pretty fun video to film. I didn't want to hover just because Cory was working at like 18-degree weather. Like, it was freezing cold when he was doing this, and there was a wind chill and everything too. Like, it was unbelievably cold, and he was doing this for like 9 hours straight. Like, he is a rock star. But as you saw in the video, closer to the end, you know, there's some areas that we still need to finish. The pinch welds up in the front need to be finished. The door area on the floor, that needs to be filled in with some body filler and a little bit of paint. I'll knock all that out later once all this is finished, but you know, something to kind of look forward to, I guess. But you know, don't worry about all that. I know it kind of looks right now, but the point is that the rust is gone, and so now it's just all smiles and rainbows after this, because it's finally getting tackled. This rust bucket's not going to be rusty much longer. Probably within the next 2-3 months, it'll all be gone. So, but as for the body work, I'm shopping around in Colorado to see who can do the paint and the body work for me. But these small little details down here and stuff, where he did all the welds, I'll take care of that probably. Get some fiberglass filler filled in, sand it, paint it. It'll look brand new. I can do stuff like that. I've painted motorcycles before. It's not hard. They look great every time I painted them. So like, I'm confident in my ability to fix stuff like that. But just know it is going to get tackled. It looks now, but just give me some time. This is a project. But again, hope you enjoyed. Thought it was kind of cool. Again, didn't want to hover too much. Didn't want to get too much in his face because he was working hard and it was cold. So until the next one, bye.